Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. My days start early in the morning and more so during the summertime because I want to enjoy the outdoors. Go play golf, cycle, or just relax. Many mornings I'm not really hungry, but I now try to eat something or at least drink something yummy, just like this delicious recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Caribbean smoothie. This is definitely among my favorites. It is packed with a bunch of incredible fresh ingredients, making it so tasty. It's a smoothie. Of course, it's easy to make, so there's no excuse for not trying it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a jar or a blender, we'll add a banana, pineapple, mango. Now, if you're not too sure how to handle it, click on the top right corner of your screen. The next ingredient we'll be adding is coconut almond milk. It gives such a nice flavor to this smoothie. And finally, some agave nectar. We'll process until the ingredients are well blended and the mixture is smooth. As I always say, we'll taste and adjust if it needs it. Mine was just fine. And we'll serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Caribbean smoothie. Refreshing, filling, and easy to make. This beverage is perfect when you're still half asleep. Packed with vitamins and nutrients, this is definitely a great way to start your day. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!